Welcome back to Jamming in There Repair. Today we have a simple household kitchen sink repair. I have a Kohler faucet here, and it's a pull-out. Very handy for rinsing things off. It works quite well. You know, you hit the sprayer, you get the spray and the stream, and everything works great. You let go, and it sucks it right back up into the holder, just like so. Okay. The problem is the joint here leaks. Grip, right there. Okay, and then the faucet's in all the way. Where do you think that drip goes? Finds its way down the tube and underneath the sink, and dripping down here. See, you're dripping there. So then that drips down into the basement, through the hole where the pipes go, and causes mold in my basement. So I need to replace the hose on here. Now, Kohler is quality product. I was able to contact them, and they sent me a replacement hose for free. All right, but the lady on the phone said, "Do you have hard water?" And yes, I do have hard water. The cold water in this faucet is not softened water at all, because I use it for cooking. So, she said that's probably a problem, and if you soak this in vinegar, it might help reduce the problems I'm having. So maybe I'll do that, or I'll just let this one go bad in 5 years and change it again. So I've done this once before, and Kohler was really good about sending me a replacement. So I am going to show you how this works. I'm going to take this off of here. So I'm going to put a rag on here, dishcloth, take the pliers, loosen the sucker up. There we go. Not that it matters, because I'm throwing this hose out anyhow, but it's probably good practice. Now, oh, come on now. Okay. Guess I should have left that on there for just a moment. The other end of the hose has this nifty connector, and it just unscrews like so. All right. And that will let me pull the hose out through the neck. So it's got to come out this way. I got to pull it out this way. On the other end of this hose, there's a weight, and I'll show you that in a minute. So down here, the underside, underbelly, this is the hose I'm looking to replace. This is the weight. It snaps off of here, so that's pretty easy. The white part, the quick connect is what I'm calling it. Simply you squeeze them in. You don't spread them apart, you squeeze them in. All right, so that takes the hose off of there. Now I need to take off this plastic part here and grab the pliers. Might need 2 pliers to get this thing off of here. There we go. Let's drip water all over that. It's always a good idea. Right into the electrical. All right. So that's this thing. I'm going to pull the hose out. want to go in. All right, I have the new one here. We're gonna go ahead and screw this bad boy on here. I don't think it has to be that tight. Let's do it. All right, so now then, this guy should snap right up into place here, right there. I'll stick that on here and it should snap into place. Oh, I see how that works. There's this little clip on here. Oh, it does come with 2 new O-rings too. Which I'm not gonna replace because I don't think I have to. Come on, baby. There we go. That snapped right in place. All right. So up here we have the hose, the spray nozzle. We'll just screw that together. There we go. Take a rag, take the pliers, give that a good squeeze. Now that should go right in there just like that. Reinstall. Ah, crap. Are you kidding me? Oops. Oops. Dang. Ah. Okay. There we go. Now then, still not right. You little turkey. Ah. Well, I'm getting good at unhooking it. There we go. Got it. Yay. Okay, so now we need to put the weight back on. Put the weight on over here. There we go. That puts the weight on. Go ahead and pull it out. That's perfect. Perfect. So I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna turn the water on. All right, we have a clear stream of water coming out of here. Not good. Of course, I only did it hand tight, so let's put a little torque on this thing. Possible to get to. many crickets. Well, that is what I call a failure. Dripping all over the place. Right. There's two little O-rings on here. I don't think you'll be able to see. Right there, you see the O-rings on there? I have to replace those. Wow, baby. You know, they could have made this stem a little longer so it extended below the sink level. Because it's not like nobody does this. Damn it. There you go, there's one of them. All right. There we go. Got both of those off of there. All right. Slide a new O-ring on there. Alright, I now have two new O-rings on here. Let's see now. Feed this up the right way this time. Okay, that felt better. Now, let's see if that leaks. All right. There you go. That was a bit of a pain in the butt, and I don't even know if you saw any of it. So, handle out, drops it down. Looks good to me. All right. All right, I like it. All right. The whole reason we took it apart, see if we have a leak. There you go, nice and dry. Wonderful, is exactly what we wanted. Just in case you couldn't see what I was doing down there, this is the fitting. And to take this off, these two tabs, one here, you squeeze them together, it releases the clip inside, and you can pull this off. That hose where the O-rings were is what goes inside here. So to get a good seal, you need the new O-rings. So, pretty easy to do. I just made it difficult. So that's the way I do things. I'm going to throw this out. All right, so that was a little bit more difficult than I first anticipated. Replacing the O-rings is pretty important if you don't want things to leak on you. So, easy enough job to do, and now I don't have a leaky faucet. So, my Kohler, they have good warranties. All my sinks, my Whirlpool, my bathroom sink are all Kohler. And yeah, you pay a little bit more for them, but this hose alone is $40 if you wanted to go buy one. That's covered under a lifetime warranty. So, easy job. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a comment if you have a question. I'll try to answer it. And subscribe. Really helps the channel. Ring the bell for notifications. And leave a comment. That really helps. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.